Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got something pretty interesting to share with you guys. I have not opened this box. I'm about to because this is an unboxing. Believe it or not, it's a knife unboxing. I'll be unboxing this knife that is, in fact, in a box that contains a knife. Thanks so much to Blade HQ and Kai. I think it actually came from Kai USA, but this is a Blade HQ exclusive. So I'll be linking this at Blade HQ down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at the_metal_complex. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a Kershaw knife. Oh, a USA Kershaw knife. That's always nice. Kershaw has been absolutely just giving her the ham sandwich here in the last couple of years. Kershaw has been just slapping ham so hard. They've just, if that doesn't make sense to you, what I'm saying is they've been doing a really great job. Why that is the way that you say that, I don't know. But it's, it makes sense. Anyways, yeah, they've been doing a great job. I'm always happy to see what Kershaw's coming out with. So we got a special version of a knife that's been very popular. And that knife that's been very popular is, of course, the Livewire. But wait, there's more. They've included an Ultem scale that's actually super, super cool. Hold on! So there's an obvious joke to be made here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take it from everybody. But with the Livewire, I was hoping that was going to be a black blade. With the Livewire being, sort of the name is in reference to something that is electrified. And with Ultem generally, being referred to as PP by the community, this is kind of a, what's the Ren and Stimpy board game? Is it the Don't Whiz on the Electric Fence? The joke is there, and they said, you know what, we're gonna do that. Actually, we're specifically going to PP on something that is electrifying. I don't know. I mean, like I know the guys at Blade HQ are definitely like they're jokey, but I don't know if that was actually intentional or not. Either way, the cool thing is that the end result is actually really nice, and this is something that I've maintained about Ultem, is that Ultem can look really, really great, and it can also look really, really bad, right? And sometimes when it's layered on top of black, it doesn't look great, but it really needs a good polish, and this is clearly, in a lot of areas, it's got a really, really nice polish to it. But the benefit here of, the Ultem is being able to see into the Livewire, so you can see both of the spring systems in there, and that's actually really cool. The Livewire is definitely one of the best dollar for dollar USA made OTFs on the market, and a lot of people are really figuring that out, especially considering you can now get these in Magna Cut, which this one is also in. I think this is probably, if I had to vote on Kershaw's best in-house design as of late, it's definitely, I feel like it's definitely the Livewire. I mean, this is in direct competition with the Axial Shift. I know some other people are going to throw some other companies in there because they always do. There's a couple of companies that don't count, and there's people who don't realize why they don't count. It's because they're not really made in the USA. But companies like, or OTFs like the Axial Shift, definitely real competition, actually made in the USA, and a great comparison. The Microtech Ultratech, also definitely made in the USA, and an actual fantastic comparison. The Guardian Tactical Recon 35, definitely made in the USA, and an actual fantastic comparison. Now, if I didn't mention any other brands, it doesn't necessarily mean they're the companies I'm referring to, but a lot of you know, those OTFs that are rebranded from AliExpress, right? And they're like, yeah, USA flag, yay. No. But the Livewire, yeah, for sure. These are excellent. I'm going to keep this one, partially because I think it's cool, right? But also because it's a little tricky giving away an OTF, right? Mostly just illegal. So yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. But this is awesome and apparently exclusively available on Blade HQ. If you want my full review of the Livewire, I have already done one. I have reviewed it in its entirety. I've done a full-length review on it. You just type in Metal Complex and Livewire on the YouTube search bar and you can find it. Spoiler alert, this is a great knife and absolutely worth the money. Even though it is a Kershaw and it's a lot of money for a Kershaw, which is what people kind of default to saying, this is built to the same standards as your other favorite USA production OTFs. It's definitely a lot higher quality than some of the, while the Chinese Kershaws are great, the stuff that you might get at the Walmart counter, not in the same tier. This is definitely top tier Kershaw, and it's a great representation of what they are capable of now in 2024. I really like this. I don't often love things in Ultem, but this is actually really cool. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of that. I don't know that there's anything else that I really need to say here. This is a really cool Blade HQ exclusive, and it was kind of both Blade HQ and Kershaw to send one out to me. 8 1/8. Blade length is almost exactly 3.5 inches, maybe a bit shy. Cutting edge is about 3.3. So yeah, that's what you're looking at there. All right, good stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Links in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.